Hello guys, so we're here again at Tokyo Station, if you guys can see. So I'm gonna just give you a quick tour of what they have again. Yay! So here they have some Eno 64. Nice Eno 64 cars. This one is nice. This one, they have some 1:64 wheels too. Another Eno 64. Works. Some Johnny Lightning. Model. They also have these Tomica. Also has car ear mask. Nice. These are the car ears they have. They also have these Tomica stuff. I bought this one, Shmee150. So these are the Tomica section. A bunch. Yeah. They also have some. Oh, it's still here. Huh. Let me see if they're. And they also have this much. Sorry guys. Yeah, so that's it for the tour, and I'll show you guys what I bought earlier, and I'm just gonna browse around, take a look on something, and here's the owner. Do you mind if I show you?
Okay.
Yeah. Here's Steven Ang, the owner of Tokyo Station. Nice guy. If you guys want to come or check out their website, I'm gonna put it down below. Okay. Thank you, Steven.
Thank you, Marvin.
Hello guys, we're back at home. So now it's time to unbox what we got from Tokyo Station. Again, special thanks to Steven Ang for accommodating me earlier and allowing me to take video again of his shop. So again, if you guys want to visit, the link of their website is on the description down below, and let's start. So we have this one. This is a Tarmac accessories. So it has a wheels, axle, front bumper, Akira Nakai-san toolbox, some spacers, and the rear wing. So this is on Tarmac Works 64 series. It's for RWB models, and let's check it out. So Tarmac Works 64 have various items, not only for RWBs and also from different like aftermarket accessories like wheels and stuff. You can see it on the video. If you want, you can purchase it at Tokyo Station. I don't know, I don't wanna. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's gonna jump. It's okay. So there you are, some spacers. Let's see the wheels. It's a deep dish wheels. Let's see what it looks like. So the axles looks like these. So small, actually. It's for 1/64 scale. So yeah, two sets of axle. One set is cambered and one set is straight axle. So let's just put it back before I lose it. Yeah, let's see the wheels. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like. Hope it focus. Yeah, something like that. And front bumper, something like this. Yeah. Well, the cool thing is this one. This is Nakai-san's suitcase. It's a toolbox. So I think it's a Rimowa toolbox suitcase where he puts all his tools when he's traveling for a build. Yeah, and the rear wing, double deck rear wing. So let's see how we can put these on Porsche. So I don't have a 993 Porsche, I think, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna improvise. Let's see if this will fit on the 911. I'm gonna make a separate video for that. So let's put it back and let's open another one. So the next one will be, let's take from the bag of goodies. Next one will be this one. I pre-ordered this one months ago. I still have like 2 left. The Fair Lady Z Kaido House and the Moon Ice Datsun 510 wagon. So let's open this one. Yeah, box is like this. Tarmac Works with a special case, with a special container. That's why I bought this one, because having a special container is also a plus in your collection. How to open it? Let's see. Oh, there you are. You need to be careful with this one because sometimes you open it wrong and it will be ripped. Yeah, nice. So it looks like this. This is the cover on the front for here. It says old and new. So just gonna pop it there and it will become a car container. Nice. I might start buying these kind of containers. It's nice. So let's see if we can open it. Awesome. So it goes like that, opens like that. Let's see if we can remove the car from its container. Yes, it's removable. Nice. So this is the car. Awesome. It says JP, John Player Special. Oh, okay. So there's a John Player Special. 997. It's a slant nose Porsche with nice gold details on it. Awesome. Wow. Unfortunately, there's no opening parts for these, so it's a static model with nice wheels. I think same as the RWB. Oh no, different. So it will goes back like that and like that. And you can put this here if you like. Yep. So let's put it back in the box so we can open some more. So the next one will be Shmeemobile. This is a Mini GT and Tarmac Works collaboration and Shmee150. So this is his Porsche Taycan Turbo S in midnight green. This is a limited run collaboration. You can buy these at Tarmac Works website if they're still not sold out, and you can pre-order these. Actually, you can order these now at a Tokyo station while supply lasts. Yes, I'll put it on the description too if you guys wanted to visit it. It's a licensed product. So let's open it. It's just a simple packaging with a plastic casing that holds it. Awesome. Wow. It's so sticky. Nice color actually. I believe Shmee doesn't have this car anymore. I think he sold it, or I don't know, he let it go. I don't know why, but having these in the collection still a must. So it has this license plate right there, SH70ME. So yeah, Mini GT, nice color, nice casting, awesome. Okay, next one will be, what's the next one? It's a Mini GT again, Tarmac Works and Shmee150 collaboration. His Ford GT in liquid red. It's also a limited production run, so grab yours while you can, while it's still available. And also, I guess this will go sold out fast because this is one of the nicest Ford GT in 1:64 scale. So again, if you want to see the video when Shmee signed it, it's on my video uploads. So again, same as the Porsche Taycan packaging, it's almost the same, but wow, whoa. Whoa, this is nice. So I'm glad I bought this one because I'm not planning to buy these because I already have 1:18 of it. But wow, the color is nice actually. It's different from what I made. Anyway, nice. Again, license plate in the back, SH66 MEE. And yeah. Awesome. Next one and the last one for this haul is this. It's a Tarmac Works. This is Tarmac Works, not collaborated with Mini GT, but Tarmac Works and Shmee150 collaboration. So this one is official licensed by Mercedes too, and it's on different packaging actually. So meaning, if it is Mini GT, it should be on this box. Mini GT and Tarmac Works collaboration of any celebrity or car guy. And if it is only Tarmac Works, like this one, it has different packaging. So let's open it. Has a nice sleeve on it. Wow, awesome. Oh, haha, it has a card. Nice. And it is numbered. Yay. So it's number 445. This certifies that this 1664 model scale model is limited production model, and you are now part of a model car revolution. Mercedes AMG. Nice. Good job, Tarmac Works. Oh, I wish they made it like these two. Anyway, so let's open it. It has an acrylic case and it has a nice base. Yes. Again, I believe he doesn't have this car anymore. He sold it, I think. But still, it's nice to have one in your collection. Awesome. Shmee150. Huh. So here it is, guys. That's all for the Tokyo Station haul, and hope you guys like it and enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and if you guys subscribe already, thank you so much for continuous support. See you guys next time, and bye bye.